Hello, girls. It is... What time is it anyway? Let's check the old broken phone. It is 12:58 in the morning. There is snow all over the place. And these two snowmen and women wanted to say, have a wonderful time on your trip to Cozumel, Mexico. Do 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 Look at this. I even got enough room for do 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 do. How about that? Look at all this snow. L-O-V-U. Wow, look at this neighborhood. There's a yard covered with snow, blanketed with snow. There's the neighbor's car in the street, covered with snow. You can't even see the license plate. Rooftops. Let's go over here reporting live in Stone Creek. Car covered with snow. Covered with snow. Do 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 do. See this? Your wish came true, Tram. Just like I said, you will see snow this year. There you go. There you go. And also the snowmen wanted to say, let's see, where are they going to say it? Right here. Nope, they're going to say it right here. B-O-N-V-O-Y-A-G-E. Now that says bon voyage. That means have a good trip on your ship. This is awesome. Do 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 do. Love you and good night.